Good morning, students. This is Srinivasa Perumal. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 6 lines and angles exercise 6.2. Question number 5. If AB is parallel to CD, so these two lines are parallel and angle APQ, this value is equal to 50 degree, and angle PRD, so this value is equal to 127 degree. So we need to find X and Y. Just compare. If two lines are parallel means the alternate angle also equal. So consider angle APQ is equal to angle PQR. The reason is both are alternate angle. So the value of APQ is equal to 50. So X also is equal to angle PQR is equal to 50 degree. Then we need to find angle Y also. Just consider this total angle. This angle is alternate angle of angle PRD. So just find angle APR is equal to angle PRD. The APR value is equal to just adding these two angles. Angle APQ plus angle QPR. So this value is equal to angle PRD. Just replace the values. APQ is equal to 50 degree. Then angle QPR is equal to Y is equal to the PRD is value is 127 degree. So this term is moving to right side. Value of Y is equal to 127 minus 50 degree. So the final value is Y equal to 77 degree. Question number 6. PQ and RS are two mirrors placed at parallel to each other. So these two mirrors are placed parallel to each other, and incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B, this position, and the reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C, this position, at C position, and again the reflected back along the CD. We need to prove that AB is parallel to CD. So mirror conditions. So using a law of reflections, just to make up a perpendicular line for C and B also. So this one is perpendicular to C, and this line also. Just consider this one is E and this one is F. So BE is perpendicular to PQ and CF is perpendicular to RS. In the angle conditions, so just make it angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, then angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So the reason is angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Then the same conditions for point C also. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So the same reason. So consider this is a equation 1 and equation 2. And angle 2 is also equal to angle 3. So the reason, it's an alternate angle. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. The reason is alternate angle. So this is the equation 3. The similar conditions for, just multiply the 2 times, and angle 1 also angle 4. Just multiply 2 times for both sides. So 2 times of angle 1 is equal to 2 times of angle 4. From the above conditions, equation 1, 2, 3. So this can be splitting. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 1, angle 4 plus angle 4. Then if both angle are equal, so angle 1 plus angle 2, so this is converting into angle 2, is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. So from the equation 1 and 2. So the value BCD is equal to ABC. These two angles are also equal. Since the alternate angle are equal means these two lines are parallel. Statement is, since the alternate angle so AB is parallel to CD. Thank you.